Hi there! Today I have a process video for you of my digital pocket pages, and for this spread I'm using the October Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper. It is a very light bundle, so I'm actually using it here week 33. What month is this? August, so I'm not too far behind October. But I rarely use my monthly bundles in the actual month. Because I'm always scrapping in the past. But so I do try to keep them pretty generic when I create them, because I know, at least personally, I'm rarely using something at the time that it's made. So it is important to me that they go with a lot of different times, different months, different seasons. These are photos from our summer trip up to the Oregon coast, which is always a very lovely time. Here I'm just adding in a little journaling to this card. Just a few little things that we always look forward to doing when we're at the coast. This summer we did have a whale that seemed to just be hanging out in front of the house for a few days. I don't know, I guess there were some good snacks in that area because he was there not just for a minute, but for quite a while, so we had a great time keeping our eye on him. Actually, I think it might have been a lady, because I think there maybe was a baby there as well. So it was a pretty nice time. Coming in for the close-up here, which means we are just about finished. If you like this kind of process video, please let me know below by leaving a comment or liking this video. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.